Today I'm bringing you an unbelievable story about the world's most expensive jet gift. Qatar is giving Donald Trump a $400 million Boeing 747-8 jumbo jet. Yes, you heard that right, a state-to-state gesture, planned as an alternative Air Force One for Trump. But there's much more behind this story. The jet is valued at around $400 million. Gifted by Qatar's royal family to the US Department of Defense. Official documents include a Memorandum of Understanding MOU, aircraft model, Boeing 747-8 jumbo jet. Lacks full security and presidential modifications. Upgrade cost may reach hundreds of millions. US Constitution's Emoluments Clause may forbid accepting foreign gifts without Congress approval. Speculation that Qatar expects political favors in return. Security risks. Potential hidden surveillance devices on board. Trump plans to use this jet during his presidency. Later, it could remain as part of his presidential library or foundation. Will not be operational until all modifications and tests are complete. So, what do you think? Is this gift truly innocent? What does Qatar gain from giving Trump such a jet? And how will the US public react? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoy stories like this, don't forget